Hello students, today we are going to discuss about significant figures and rounding of the measurements. First we will see what is meant by significant figures. Significant figures are those digits in a number that are known with a certainty plus one more digit that is uncertain. See here in the given measurement 14.5 centimeter has 3 significant digits, and the measurement 14.52 it has 4 significant figures. Here 14.1 14.5 1 4 are reliable and reliable, and the digit 5 it is uncertain. The same way here 145 is reliable and 2 is uncertain. That means how many significant digits are in 14.52? 4 are there, and here how many? 3 are there. Few rules are there to find the significant figures. So significant figures means those digits in a number that are known with a certainty plus one more digit that is uncertain. That means till 14 here is certain and 5 that is uncertain. That is why how many significant digits are there? That is 3 significant digits. Now we will see the rules for significant digits. First one is all non-zero digits are significant figures. Say 17. How many significant? 2. 178. 3. 1782. How many? 4. 17825. That is 5. Next, all zeros occurring between non-zero digits are significant figures. See here 401, that is actually certain. That means it's a 3 significant figures. 4012, that is also 4 it is there. 40056. See these all zeros, it is coming between two non-zero numbers. So these zeros are significant only. So this how many significant is full number? That means count all the digits. These all are significant figures. Next, all zeros to the right of the last non-zero digits are not significant figures. 20, that is one significant figure. 210, that means this is non-decimal numbers. These all zeros at the last that are not significant. All zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the left of a non-zero digit are not significant. See here 0.04. This zero is that. This is also not significant. Here 2 zeros are there. This is also not significant. But next case you see all zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the right of a non-zero digit are significant figure. That is 0.20. That is 2. Why? Because this 0 it is coming in the decimal and it is coming after a number. So this is a significant digit. This 0 is significant. So we counted here. 230. This is also significant. That is 3 significant digits are there. 0.2370. 4 significant digits are here. See, significant figure do not change if we measure a physical quantity in different unit. Suppose 14.5 centimeter, that is 14.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Both the cases number of significant digit it is same only. This is also very important point. Next is rounding of the measurement. If the digit to be dropped in a number is less than 5, this all you know it, lower classes you learned it. 8.64, it is round of 8.6. If the digit to be dropped in a number is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. That means here 8.66. The last digit is more than 5. That means here the preceding digit, this 6, is raised by 1. That is 8.7. If the digit to be dropped in a number is 5 or 5 followed by 0, then the preceding digit remains unchanged if it is even. See here, it is 8.65. Here the preceding digit is 6. So when you round off this 8.65, it is 8.6. The same way 8.650. After 5, 0 is there. Then 6 remains 6 only, that is 8.6. But if the preceding digit is a odd number, that is 8.75, then 7 is an odd number, then what happened? When you round off this number, it become 8.8. The same way, after 5, 0 is here, but the preceding digit is a odd number. So here also it is round to 8.8. Next, significant figures in algebraic operation. So we have to add two numbers 2.3 and 10.54. Significant figures in 2.3, that is 2, and 10.54, it is 4. When you add these two, we will get 12.84. Out of these two lengths, 2.3 meter is least precise. It is accurate up to 0.1 meter. So the final result, sum of the two lengths cannot be more or accurate than to be nearest 0.1. Hence the final result will be 12.8 and not 12.84. We conclude that sum of the quantities should have the same number of digits to the right of the decimal as the measurement with the smallest number of digits to the right of the decimal. Next, multiplication and division operation. Here we are going to divide 4.192 by 2.02. Number of significant digits in 4.192, it is 4, and the number of significant digit in 2.02 is 3. Now when you multiply, you got 8.46784. Here the number of significant digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But final answer after round off, we will see when you multiply these two numbers, which number is having least number of significant digits. Here y is equal to 2.02, it is having 3 significant figures. So final answer, we will round off to the minimum significant figures, that is 8.46. Then 7 is here, so round off 8.47. So final answer, number of significant figures is 3. That is same as the 2.02. It also contains 3 significant figures. So when you divide 7500 by 20.83, the final answer contains 360.0576. Here significant figures 2. Here the significant figures 4. So least significant figures 7500 contains, it is 2. So we have to round off the final answer to the least significant digit, that is we have to round off it to 2 significant figures. So 360 is the answer. So number of significant figures in 360, that is 2.